is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, what I wanted to do is take you guys through everything that I got for Christmas and that I got for Andre for Christmas as well. So I'll share all the things. You know, we are in like post-Christmas disaster zone, like putting away all the wrappings and all of the things. We are, can you hear the growling? It's Carl. He wants to go outside. So a couple things just arrived today. And if you haven't noticed yet, I'm on my new camera, which was one of my gifts. So I'm packing up my other amazing camera right now. It's right here. And I just posted it on the Facebook Marketplace because it needs to find a happy home. And it was like a brand new camera and I barely used it, but I love this one. Okay, so these two things just arrived. I got sports bras from IMB. I'll link everything that I talk about down below in case you guys want to do some Boxing Day shopping, which by the way, can you let me know in the comments down below if you're American? Is that not a thing in the States? Is it just Canadian? Boxing Day? It's like Black Friday. It's like the day after Christmas. You like shop and you do things. I didn't. Actually, that's a lie. I bought this camera. So these are incredible. They are the most comfortable sports bras, and I'm gonna share a bunch of like athletic wear because it's what I do. But they're by, I think it's like IAB. I Am Becoming is the name of the brand, and it's amazing. Okay, let's go upstairs to my beauty room. I have all the stuff in there. I put all my gifts in there. And Carl, do you want to share your gift? Your marshmallows. If you guys watched my Christmas Day routine, I filmed as you guys wanted it. So I was like, okay, let's do this. A full Christmas Day routine. He got these little marshmallows in like a, oh, here it is. He hid it in like a hot chocolate and he's upset. Do you love it? You love it. He's staring at me. Do you want to come get it? There it is. There it is. And what about the marshmallow? So we have to put away all of our parcels and all of our things, empty boxes and such, but let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. All right, let's set up in here and let's talk about it. All right, so I had shared in my Christmas bucket list, I believe, a bunch of the stuff that I wanted, and I was shocked by how many things that are on my list that I got, and I'm so happy and so excited. So I feel like a lot of these things are really unique, some of them, and I feel like it might be entertaining. So let's jump into this. The first thing that I got that I squealed, I got this on Christmas Eve, and I really wanted it, and I didn't think I was gonna get it. The Airwrap. So the reason why it's out of the box right now is I've already used it, and spoiler alert, it's amazing. It's like I can see how people say that it's complicated to use, but it's really not that bad. Like once you've got it, you've got it. There's like little arrows. It tells you how to curl. So it curls your hair. Here, look at the box that it comes in. Look at this fancy, I don't even think the blow dryer came in a box like this. Maybe it did. So I have the dryer, I love the dryer. And people always ask like, why is it so expensive? First of all, if you have a Dyson vacuum, you get it, because Dyson as a company is just incredible. But if you have the Dyson hair dryer, you'll really get it. I swear it's like the thing that saved my hair this year. Like amazing, amazing, amazing. So it comes with a little, I think it's like a little hair dryer. So you could get for real. For real? You gotta do that right now? It's because I'm filming. He doesn't do this at any other time of day. What did I ever do to you? Back to me. Okay, this is like a mini hair dryer, and then you have your curlers, which come with two big ones. I don't know why you need two, but there's two big ones and then two little ones. So the littler one is on here right now. And then it comes with this, I think it's called a smoothing brush. There's different packages. I think there's like 3 different options. There's one that comes with like a volumizing brush. I think I'm gonna buy it on the Dyson website. It's like 60 something for just the brush, which is a lot, but I want it. So this, amazing. Okay. The other thing that I really, really wanted, which is also like, I guess, a beauty product, I got this little kit. I talked about this in the video about like, I think it was Christmas gifts for her and ideas. This comes in like a little gift set. So it's a Clarisonic brush, and you get, with the kit, you get the massage head to like facial massage, and you get 2 cleansing brushes, and then you get a cleanser, a foaming milk cleanser for a little gift set. It's still available, it's amazing, and it has like a little charging stand too, and I think it comes in pink as well. Andre, my sneakerhead husband, I got him a pair of shoes. I shared that in the Christmas Day routine, but he got me these I love sneakers that have like the lateral band, like the lateral support for, I don't know, I like it. I feel like it supports my little narrow feet. So he got me these Vapor Max Fly Knits from Flight Club. If you don't know what Flight Club is, amazing spot to get shoes. The other amazing spot to get really, really nice sneakers is Goat. It's like an app online. In terms of what I got, I have no rhyme or reason in the order in which I'm doing this, but I just want to share everything with you guys. So I got Andre a bunch of stuff. Oh my God, he ate chips and they're on his book. He loves Jocko Willink and he loves, who's the other guy? David Goggins. He's obsessed with like the whole situation. So I got him The Dichotomy of Leadership, which is by Jocko Willink. And it's the same author that wrote Extreme Ownership. And it's basically how they run their, I don't want to say anything wrong, their platoon, is that how you, like their group in the Navy SEALs. And it's like extreme in the way that they talk about it, and it's awesome. Another cool gift that I got him was this coffee cup warmer. Andre loves a press pot, like a French press, but he said the one thing is that it gets cold. So I was thinking he could just put the French press pot on the coffee warmer, or he could put his mug, but good gift and not that expensive, and I got it off of Amazon. Okay, these, I was so excited. He got me both. So it comes in a blush pink. Look at how cute. They look like a Sesame Street character, right? I love them. So he got them for me in white and in blush. They're on sale. They're amazing. And they're like super soft. They're like sock slippers. I wish I could express to you how cozy these are. But look at how, I love them. Okay. And then he got me a bunch of clothes. So another fuzzy article of clothing, which I've worn already every single time we leave the house. I'm obsessed with Free People. I also they have this beanie that would go really well with this, and I want to get it. I hope it's on sale. So this jacket is like a fuzzy, here, I'll put it on. It's like a fuzzy situation. So it has like this nice, like really soft material on the inside, almost like a linen. And it's kind of cropped, and it's in like one of my favorite, I love this color. And look how fuzzy it is. And there's a hood. It's like if it's really cold outside, but you don't feel like accepting that it's really cold outside, you wear this. And there's little hooks and it closes, and I love it so much. And I think that it was on sale. I think it might still be on sale. And I think it comes in other colors. Love. If I didn't say this yet, I promise I will link everything. This is like, okay, I think I'm wearing the top is all Buff Bunny. I had never bought anything from Buff Bunny, and I heard it was amazing. Love. I'm super impressed. And it got here really, really fast. Now that kind of leeways me into how I'm feeling about some other companies that will not remain nameless. Where's my shit? I'm just kidding. But seriously, like I ordered, or Andre ordered, but I knew that I wanted them. He got me, okay, tip. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, Jeffree Star launched a holiday collection of 3 different size mystery boxes. We were I swear, one of like the first people to order it. We got the confirmation. I don't even know if Andre has a shipping confirmation yet, but he said like, there's no way it's coming by Christmas. So it's a holiday collection box that we bought in November, like on Black Friday. And that's when it launched, and still not here. Disappointed. But there was 3 pieces that I really wanted. They're like extreme highlighters, and I really wanted them. And I said, you get the boxes, I'm gonna order them. Cause listen, I know I'm getting it. I'm gonna order them off of Beautylish. I've talked about Beautylish before, love it. I'm not even kidding, I got it in like 1.5 business days. So how does that happen? So honestly, at this point, I don't know if I'm gonna order something from Jeffree Star ever again. I feel slighted. Furthermore, the reason why I wanted the mystery boxes was because there was a Peppermint Frost highlighter palette that came in, I think, the deluxe. There was just a tweet that went out that said, just so you know, we missed about 1,000 boxes and they don't have the Peppermint Frost. That was the whole reason for ordering it. So disappointing. I'm gonna show you guys my highlighter situation. Actually, there's more gifts over there, so I'm gonna take you over there. So I just cleaned out this whole room, and I wanna do a tour. This was one of like the most special gifts that Andre got me. So these are for our Disney house. They're like handcrafted, one of a kind, Minnie and Mickey, amazing. And the reason why they look pink right now is because the neon sign is shining on them, so they're white, and they're gonna go in my filming room in the next house. So these came in right away, and I was thrilled. And let me just show, they look all the same. I'm not even gonna say the names of the colors because it's like super dirty. They're very pretty. Okay, let me just Let me just show you when I did this on IG stories and I was like, oh my God. Amazing. Like everything and more. Okay, now I'm filled with glitter. Then, so that was a disappointment. And the other thing we're waiting on is the Scott Barnes stuff, which whatever. So this, I'm so excited about this. I've wanted this machine forever. So it's like a little suction thing. And what it does, so there's mild face and then neck. And what it does is I have makeup on right now, so I don't want to ruin it, but it like suctions your cheeks and your neck and everything up, and you actually feel it like tingling after. I don't know how it does it. It's incredible. And then it came with this contour treatment serum. I'm obsessed with this thing. And you do this before you put your makeup on. So it's basically like a facial and like a facelift in a mechanism. The other thing that I got is these necklaces that I'm wearing. So there's like I got a ton of evil eye necklaces. It's all I put on my list. They're actually like, they're not even expensive. So I got the eye, and then there's like the little circular eye. And then I got this one. I love this one. So this one is like a teal with like a diamondy eye inside and then a layer on top. So this one is layered, like it comes layered. And then, oh, this one's really pretty too. You guys, I'm obsessed with evil eye everything, ever since we went to Greece. And then this one is a shorter one that has like a shiny, oh my gosh, it's so hard to share this on camera. There we go. So it's like a shiny diamond with a blue diamond in the middle, evil eye, and that's like a shorter necklace. And then this one, I think this one comes layered. Yeah, this one is layered. And there's like a diamond up here. This one was super inexpensive also. Don't ask me how I know these things, I just know. And then this one has like a blue. I feel like I need to, there. And then I also got a pair of Tiffany earrings that are downstairs. I'll take you after to go see them. Those are from Andre. Okay, so we went through the Clarisonic, the shoes, the slippers, which I got in white also, and then a ton of clothes. So I really wanted black leggings. So I'm wearing one of the pairs that he got me, and these are like, it's called a double weight legging. They're by Rogiani, and the reason for double weight is if you have to go for a walk outside, which we're about to go do, in the cold months, you stay warm. Then I also got black leggings from Buff Bunny, and they're like booty leggings, so they're super flattering. Little shorts from Buff Bunny. I just want to give props to Buff Bunny for being one of the only people remaining, and I'm going to explain another parcel that's still not here. So her and Alphalete, which is funny because she's dating the owner of Alphalete, are like the only two brands left that still do normal non-biker shorts. No offense to the people who wear biker shorts, I just can't. It would look super weird on me. Don't ask me why, I'm not interested. So I love their shorts. My Alphalete stuff, which was ordered on Black Friday, because I ordered it, and Andre's gifts are in there too, still not here. Like 4 weeks ago. Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? This has never happened. This is the first Christmas that we don't have like a bunch of gifts that arrived. Thank God they were just for us. All of our family's gifts arrived. All the niece and nephews got their toys and everything, so we're good, but disappointing. These shorts, which have like a laser detail on the side, so pretty. And then these shorts are by the same company as leggings I'm wearing. They're like a purple. And we actually bought pillowcases. Like I own the pillowcases from this company. They're so soft. It's like a butter collection. And we got them for my mother-in-law also. Well, and father-in-law, because we got them each one. Little black shorts. And then, oh, I was just wearing these like jogger pants from Buff Bunny. You guys, the prices of the Buff Bunny stuff, amazing. She shipped super fast. Very impressed with their stuff. Did I go over everything? I went over the jacket. Oh yeah, the earrings. Okay, well, let's go downstairs and see the earrings. Don't ask me why they're downstairs. I'll put them on and then we're gonna go for our walk. Andre, you hungry? Yeah. We're gonna go walk to do. I'm trying to find my, oh yeah, they're here. I don't wanna say what I'm looking for because it's gonna be like, really, did you already lose them? My earrings that you got me. What's the favorite? Show them what you're wearing. That's one of the gifts I got you for Christmas.
My t-shirt.
What is it?
It's a Ruka BJ pen.
He loves Ruka right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, I need a wider lens.
I heard you saying that in your beauty room a few seconds ago.
It's sick though. I love this camera.
Good.
I feel like the highlighter didn't get enough of a moment. Isn't that insane? It's like apparently the most pigmented highlighter that exists. Like, and that was like a really, really light. There we go. Now you understand. I feel like I need to blend that out, but still amazing. The lighting is helping. Okay. These are the little earrings. It's like a little knotted ball. It almost looks like rope. It's very pretty. And it came in a blue box, so really, we're excited. All right, now I'm ready. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for coming around my house and letting me share all of my treasures with you guys. And right now, Andre and I are gonna go for a walk and go eat because my tummy is grumbling. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Andre just reminded me that we had to announce the giveaway winner for it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with mine. So we got an extra blanket to give away, and then I'm gonna package it up with a bunch of beautiful beauty products and all of like my favorite things, and with a handwritten note, and like I'll wrap it up all beautiful as like a Christmas gift to one of you guys. So the winner has been decided, and it will be in the description box down below, and we will be announcing another giveaway coming very soon. I will probably do my best to edit and post this video very, very soon so that you guys can have it, because I know that I took a little bit of a hiatus on Christmas Day, which I figured you guys would understand why. So with that said, make sure that you are following on Instagram. I'm gonna share anything that I forgot to share, I will share it on IG stories. Make sure that you are subscribed, hit the bell for notifications so that you can be notified when a video goes up, because it's not always obvious. Give this a thumbs up if you guys liked the hangout, the things, the treasures. Let me know what you guys liked the most. I'm so curious. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.